DATACT supports 360 degrees panorama images, so you can view them in DATACT. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create such an image. In this tutorial, I'm using DJI Mavic 2 drone and the DJI Go 4 app. To begin acquiring this data, first you have to fly to the location and height you want to take the photo from. Once you're there, you have to select the setting button. Next, photo. From there, you get a list of different photo shoot modes. You click on the bottom one, the pano, and from there you can click on the sphere icon. Once this is done, you go out of it, and it's good to face the camera directly at the brightest part of the sky, usually the sun, and there you basically click on the trigger for the camera, and now the drone does everything automatically. From this, so you just have to wait until you have the percentage gone all the way to 100%. Once that's done, you have the panorama saved on your drone, and once you land, you can find this image stitched and ready to be uploaded to DATACT.